Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add image zoom content box in Elementor WordPress using plugin. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write unlimited elements for Elementor. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see unlimited elements and then you see widgets, so open it. So we are in widget section and then you see category, content boxes, and then you see multiple pro and free widget, and then you see image zoom content box. So this is a free widget, so click on install. Now installing. Now widget install. Go to Elementor page and refresh the page. So we are in Elementor page and then you see search widget. So write here image zoom. So this is our image zoom content box widget. Now drag and drop here. Now you see widget edit. So this is the widget style. So when we hover on it you see image zoom and then you see content style advanced. In layout you see column reverse, row. So you can select setting according to your requirement, and then you can add image size, show title, enable title you see, and then you see description text. So you can add according to requirement, and then you see button text, show button, link image, link title. Now scroll up, you see style, so click on it, and then you see align center, content padding, and then you see multiple option, content background color. If you want you can add image. Now you see image tab, so click on it. So you can set image opacity on hour. Now you see typography, button style, so you can do setting according to requirement and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to website page and refresh the page. So this is our zoom image content box widget. So when we hover on it, now you see. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.